So for the hell of it, we're going to ask Logan how we make a hurricane. By the way, I'm not sober, according to me and everyone else. Logan?
Like literal everyone else.
How do we make a hurricane?
Hurricanes are easy. So you just do a 2-ounce pour of white rum, a 2-ounce pour of black rum, a 1-ounce pour or a little bit more of orange juice. You can dash it up, I don't care. Another 2-ounce pour ish, I mean a little bit more of a fruit cocktail. Passion fruit works best.
We use V8 for me, cranberry juice for him.
We really shouldn't listen to her talk. And then a dash of lime juice, a dash of grenadine. All this needs to be shaken over ice and then poured. It's not really difficult. It's easy to balance. Once you mix them correctly, as soon as you start drinking them, they just kind of taste like juice cocktail. And
the one he made me taste like alcohol. My third one, it tastes like pure liquor.
okay,
He's full of
it
shit.
Literally is the same mix as the rest of them. The difference
tastes like liquor.
That she waited 15 minutes while sitting in the shower contemplating her life before she came down and drank it, so it had a chance to settle.
I've stirred it with a straw. It tastes like liquor.
She's out of her goddamn mind and also hammered. It's a very easy cocktail to make as long as you have something to shake it with. Yeah, otherwise,
and as long as you don't have a Logan making it way too full on the liquor.
Super didn't. I actually cut the liquor in yours because you were already drunk.
I'm not drunk.
And I was like, blah, blah, blah. I need reasons to not be drunk. Look at me trying to make excuses. That's not the world we live in. You thought that you could go longer than you could, which a lot of people make that mistake.
Do you see this finger pointing at you?
I really
It's
don't
just for
care.
you.
It's very small.
It's not very small. I mean, compare it to your finger. It's not that small.
My finger is
Shit.
that much bigger. Sure. So in all honesty, it's a very easy cocktail to make. Two will get the majority of people to a nice good spot. The third is probably enough to start pushing you towards the edge.
He's trying to make me drink a third. I'm significantly smaller than him.
The fourth for most humans is the limit. My wife is a pansy-ass bitch, and
I'm significantly smaller than him. I'm 5'3", dudes.
Pansy-ass bitch.
5'3". He's like 6 feet.
He's 5'3", 205 pounds, whatever.
Eat a dick!
And so, like I said, it's a great cocktail to make if you have dark and light rums available to you.
I'm completely sober.
Woof. Nope. Sure aren't.